Welcome back to my channel, Cooking at Home with Spaz. Of course, I'm Cutmaster Spaz. Now, this is the channel if you love food, but you're not an expert cook. Well, if you are, you can stay here too, but you don't need to go to culinary school for 2 to 4 years. You can just come right here because we make all our dishes simple and easy. And today is no different. We are doing chicken enchilada. Let's get excited. I mean, I know everybody does Taco Tuesday with the plain old tacos. Maybe you get the leftover meat, make into burrito. But why not make it a Huepa Wednesday? Fiesta Friday with chicken enchilada. Right? No? Okay. Well, it's really simple. And let me tell you the ingredients, okay? So first you're gonna need 12-ounce bag of shredded chicken breast. You're also gonna need a block of cream cheese, a package of Mexican blend cheese. Now, if you want a little more kick, you can use cheddar cheese. And of course, this is the 8-ounce bag or 2 cups. You're gonna need green enchilada sauce. And if you wanna walk on the edge of life and just dive in, you can go with hot, but I'm going mild. And of course, finally, 10-inch burrito wrappers, or like tortilla. And of course, I always support local, so this is Sinaloa, made in Hawaii. So now that we got all our ingredients, this is so simple because all you're gonna do is assemble, bake, and eat. Let's get it! All right, for this dish, of course, we're gonna use shredded chicken breast. 12-ounce bag, works great. A block of cream cheese. Now you want to let it sit out for 20 to 25 minutes before you start, so it's easy to work with. And you can either wash your hands really, really well, or you can use gloves. And for me, I'm using gloves because I can take it off and wrap it and do all that kind of stuff. Plus, I think it looks cool. Doesn't it look cool?
Wait a minute. Who are you?
This is fun because you can get the kids involved. All you're basically doing is taking the chicken breast, shredded, of course. Now, if you have the rotisserie chicken, that works well. You know, if you get them from Costco or wherever you get them from, Don Quixote, Safeway, you just take that, cut it up, take the chicken breast part, and just shred it up, and that will be even much more delicious. Ooh, huli chicken, what? All right, see how fast that is? Now all you're doing is mixing together. You don't need to put any spices in it because the cheese, the Mexican cheese, as well as the enchilada sauce will do that for you. And of course you can add taco sauce and sour cream if you want to. All right, so once you got it all mixed up like that, like a big, ball, all you're gonna do is break it into 5 equal balls. Take the big ball, make it to 5 equal small balls. And this is what's gonna be your enchilada filling. Sorry, just get excited. Chicken enchilada, let's get it. All right, see, so it's kind of equal. This one kind of looks like the one that's the runt of the bunch. So you just take from everybody else. All right. Now, once you got that all set, see how fast, okay? This is when you're gonna start wrapping and putting in your pan, all right? So this is where you grab your burrito, and you're gonna use your burrito wrapper or tortilla, and just put it like so, just like that, boom. So you're gonna try and make it like one big Rolo. And what you're doing is you're putting the wrapper side down inside, so it's flat down, okay? Let's do it real fast. All right. Woo! Okay, so now that you got it in the pan like so, and you're gonna use a 9 by 9 inch baking pan. You can use glass if you want. Before you pour the sauce on, make sure you cut it. You want to make sure you get it right down the middle, nice, and make sure you cut all the way through, because if not, it's going to be really hard to scoop out when it's all cooked or baked or melted. So maybe go 2 times.
1 for the trouble, 2 for the bass. Come on, party people, let's fill this place.
You can tell I love to cook, yeah. All right. Now we got our enchiladas cut, ready to go. we're gonna pour the sauce on like so. Look at this, pour that sauce on, look at that. Make sure it goes to every crack and crevice. Yes, you're gonna use all of it and it should fit. Now, if it gets really close to the top, then of course you can stop, but don't stop till you get enough. Ah! Okay. Final, you're getting the cheese. Now, again, you can use cheddar if you want, but I'm using
That you had
Mexican because I think it goes well. You just spread it nice. There you go, look at that. Boom. Whoa, 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 calm down. Take it easy, Tiger. Hold back, hold back. All right, look at that. Woo! Okay. Next thing we're gonna do, put the foil on and we're gonna bake. Thunder. One more time, lightning. So next thing we're gonna do is put the foil on and bake. When you do the foil, again, you always want the dull side up and the shiny side down because that's what reflects the heat. So put the shiny side down. You're gonna make it like a pop tent, like make believe you're going camping and you're making a pop tent. Not pop, like for dogs, pop tent, sorry. All right, you ready? Ooh, I don't wanna burn my hands. Let's put it in the oven. I've been preheating our oven for 30 minutes now at 350. You always want to make sure you preheat your oven because if you just put it in cold, preheat it, you don't preheat it, guess what? It can come out cold.
Really?
Especially if you're making frozen pizza. Just saying, learn from experience. Here we go. It's been 30 minutes in the oven. I pulled it out. I plated it. I put some taco sauce, some sour cream, some guac, some chips, because it's Wepo Wednesday. Okay, maybe it won't catch on. Let's get into it. All right. Yes, sir. Get some cheese, some sour cream, a little chicken. Woo! Really good. You would think without any salt or pepper that it would be bland, but it's not because of the cheese, the enchilada sauce, of course adding the sour cream and topping it off with the taco sauce just makes it perfect. Now, of course, if you live on the edge, you like to live large and thrill seeker, you can go all hot if you want, you know what I mean? You know, some like it like that.
Stupid.
I do suggest that you don't use canned chicken because that's just gonna taste nasty. If you have rotisserie chicken or even huli chicken, use the breast and shred it up, put it in, it's gonna be unreal. So look how simple it was. If you want this recipe and any of the others, check the description. You can have the food download in there. Make sure you subscribe and of course hit the notification button so you know when we come out with a new episode, which is every Wednesday. Now you can see I got some new merch. Cooking at Home with Spaz, apron, shirt, all that stuff. You can go in the description and click the link to get your Cooking at Home with Spaz apron. So you know what I mean, you can say he's cooking at home with Spaz. You right? Until next time, this is Spaz and keep it positive. I'm out of here like last year. You can go, because I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna pound. It's all right, all right.